ovo su civilne žrtve rata.
Sve zločince i ubice treba goniti do suda.
Vijence će danas položiti Skupštine Srpske.
It was important to be today here. And this is also a very clear sign that the crimes were done in every side in Bosnia and Herzegovina. We have had also a meeting with President Tadić. We informed each other, all of us, about the current developments. And what's the most important is that we agree that we have to continue to cooperate much more common. We have to have the common cooperation in respect of the cooperation in The Hague. Hague is the most important for both sides, for Bosnia and Herzegovina and Serbia and Montenegro, and for Republika Srpska and Serbia. So I hope that after this meeting we will continue to cooperate in a much more efficient way.